protecting your Microsoft Word document so that another person will not have access to it. You come up to Microsoft Power button, you come to Save As, Word document, you come up here, you come to Tools, you click, you have Save Options, you have General Options. You come to General Options, you click, you see Password to open. Now you input password to modify, you input, make sure that they are the same, you say okay. Now re-enter password to open. You can always change or you put the same. You say okay, you say okay, you input. Now you can save. Now you come to file name, you input, you select the folder, is at the document already, so we can manage the document. You can see, you can now close.